Hi dear, now your sachet packaging machine is ready and now I will tell you how to use this machine and test it for you. When you receive this machine, you should connect the air resource from here and the electric power from here, okay, from this one. If you want to change the product you want to fill, if you use cream, okay, just fill this hopper with your product. And if you want to fill liquid, okay, just here you can see we have a pipe. Just let this pipe get into your tank. Here you can see it's a coating system. If you want to adjust the position of the coating, you should using this one, and you can change the right and left of net. And if you want to change the up and down of net, you can use this one and using this to change net. We have many temperature control here, and it will show you the current temperature and the setting temperature of the left vertical, right vertical, and the inner horizontal and the outer horizontal. And when you want to use this machine, you should firstly turn on the power, and then after about 20 minutes you can use it, because we will wait for the preheating of this floor and the coating system. And if you want to start this machine, okay, you should just start this machine from here, and it will start. Here is the PLC control system of this machine, and I will show you how to use this PLC system. Okay, firstly press the English. Okay, here you can see there are many parameters of this machine. This one is the total account. It will show the number of what you have filled, the number of the pouch you have filled. And if you want to reset it to 0, okay, just long press this one, this repress. And here is the counter start and the counter stop. And if you press it to let it get to counter stop, it will start count the number of the. It will start count the number of the pouches. Okay, here is the machine speed, and here is the pulling speed, the return speed, and the pulling length, and the count set. Okay, if you want to change the pouches you use, okay, you should change this one and this one. Okay, on the PLC control system, you can see we have 7 buttons here. The I marks on and off, cutter on and off, fill on and off, first back, slow on and off, and the dark and light, coding on and off, and the pump switch. Okay, there's some wrong with our translation, and we will change it later for this pump. I'm sorry about that. Okay, here you can see firstly is the I mark. You can see here we have a I mark here, and you can change it by using this. Okay, change it by losing this and then change it. Okay, you can see here is the pouch we have filled, and if you want to let the ceiling, the position of the ceiling upper, and you can let this one upper. And here for the cutter and the filling, mostly we will open net. And for this one, force back, slow off and on. Okay, please don't press this button. Okay, for this one, it's the dark and light of the eye mark. Okay, you can see dark and light of the eye mark. It means if you use, okay, here is for the eye mark. If you use dark eye mark, just like red or black, you can change it to dark. And if you use the white or yellow eye mark, okay, just change it to the light. For here, it's about the coding on and off. If you want to use the coding system, okay, just turn on it. Okay, then is this one. It's about the switch of the pump. Okay, if you want to fill cream or other products with low viscosity, you should change it to liquid. And there's something wrong with our translation, so we will change it to piston pump. And here, if you want to fill some liquids, just like water and oil, please change it to magnetic pump. I'm sorry. We also have some translation troubles about this one, so we will change it later. Here you can see is the parameters of this machine, and when you want to change the portraits of this machine, okay, what you should do is just change the fill time, and here parameter 2, the first lens speed, okay, just these three parameter. And here you can see is the first lens. If you want to change the pouch of this, you want to fill, okay, the first lens will lower than half of the length of your new pouch.
To change the filling volume, if filling liquid, use PLC to control. If filling cream, use the adjustment device behind.
If you want to change the pouch you want to fill, okay, we should change this one and here this one, and I will show you how to change these two.
Remove the last used membrane. Replace with a new membrane. The new membrane is too wide. The center has changed, so the membrane position needs to be moved. Remove the remaining old membrane. Replace the corresponding new mold. Remove the feed tube. Place the feed tube into the new mold. If you need to change the pump and the material being filled, please replace the corresponding feed tube. Fix the new mold. Fix the feed tube. Make the tube in the center of the mold.
这个管，然后这个斗的居中的位置，就可以摆动嘛，前后什么左右都可以摆动。
Replace the mold below. First, turn off the air supply.
这滑，
Remove the old mold. Replace with new mold. Connect the pipe. Turn on the air supply. Install membrane.
这个是我。 这个膜宽一些，宽一些打的这个放开一点。总共是4个档。
The
剩下
mold
来它这个
hits the
碰到这
back
个模
end,
具的，
needs to
这
be
个
adjusted.
就整个这个斗还要往外移。把这个模具往里面移了，不要移那个中间。先不切，切到关。然后我们看一下，打出来这个袋子，你看没有？它背面我们不需要分这么多。我们反正和这个刀差不多宽，然后上面它这个就刚我
The
说这个
back
白点在
seal
外
is
面
on
嘛。
the left,
完了，我们这个
exposing the
导
inside of
这个东西
the
导是
membrane.
一定要
It
导到
needs to
左
be
边，
moved to the right.
所以我们面对机的左手边，它是这样导的。现在它自己变成这个，我们没去控制它，在这里。啊，现在导过来了，后面它自己导过来。算了，可能。
No material was added during the membrane replacement test.
会鼓一点，现在是扁的嘛。鼓的话，我们就把这个。
If you add material, you need to move this place to make the gap
推开一
bigger.
点，或者这个可以往里面推一点，两个推开，推到就鼓了。
The bag is not completely sealed and needs to be adjusted.
现在是带这么下，这么下的话，它那个后边的这个里面，把这个太锋利了。 有料和没料也不一样的，没料没重量，有料有重量又不一样。
有重量它就往下拉了，是吧？
对，它会往下降。
Fix the membrane
这四个
position.
嘛，这两个，这里两个，然后因为挡住它，不让它摆动，就靠过来就好了。靠到这里，靠到这里。只有大
The final product, after adjustment, filling water. Filling accuracy.
要不要等下？
来，换一个。